Good morning, students. No, it's supposed to be a video. You are not supposed to be here. You are at home. You are enjoying yourself. It's my weekend, and I want to do this. Don't say okay. Okay. So, good morning. Sorry, I shouldn't say morning because they might be watching it in the evening. All right. So we need to be mindful of that. It's better to say good day. All right. So, good day, students. Welcome to another episode of EDT 351 titled 21st Century Technology for Instruction and Research. Today, we want to look at the inclusion and opportunities for special needs students. In this video, I'm going to talk about the introduction to whatever it is. Then I'll discuss about 21st century technology. I'll speak on knowledge economy, education 4.0, and the lives. Okay, so these and these are part of my video, and I'm talking. I'm still recording my listing. So, and then I'll go to the next slide. I read the introduction. Well, it's not always good to read it out, but it's best if you can talk to it. All right. So talk to it, explain everything you want to explain, give examples, and all that. So, okay, I think this is the 5th slide. That's the last slide. So at the point, to make it more engaging, you can give an assignment. Okay? You can give an assignment at the end. So on this note, let me end my video now. Okay? Okay, thank you for watching up to this slide. To end these notes, I'm going to give you XYZ as an assignment. So when we meet in the class on Monday, we will have to discuss ABC, something like that. So then once I am done, I will just click on stop.